Hi guys, it's me, si Mildred. I just want to say hi to all of you. How are you? How are you doing there? Kumusta na po kayo? Session na ako, medyo haggard and stressed na po ako. Naghapit lang nga akong gumawa ng video just for the part 2 reunion kasi request po ito ni Mr. Tylo. Well, anyway, I was so glad to have an opportunity to greet you all guys, and I'm also glad na meron tayong call this Friendster account, yung Nutriban section. Well, thankful na kahit pa paano is nakakaroon tayo ng communication with one another, and that's it. Okay, sensya na kung hindi na ako makakapunta ngayon din sa reunion because andito na ako sa Canada, so have fun na lang po, and hope to see you all guys again. May awa si Lord. And sige po, I have to go now. Alright, may God bless you all. Bye.